Hello. Welcome back to the, what do you want to call it? The cheap, shitty Canadian commercial dishwasher rebuild project. Okay, so I have the motor taken apart. That was kind of a bear, and I'm going to show you. So, down here, this is a standard-ish induction motor. It is bidirectional. So it'll spin this way, or it'll spin this way. I had to take the motor itself apart to get the pump off because it was really stuck on there. This is the base of the motor. And this is a bushing instead of a bearing. So that is just a piece of metal with some 25-year-old grease in it. And that's a really crappy design. I'm impressed. But I was also impressed about several other features of this pump. First off, you may be able to see how wibbly and wobbly that mounting plate is. That is plastic that was not meant for 180-degree water. Now, most commercial machines will just have a back plate, a front plate called a volute, and an impeller inside, a little fan that spins, sucks water in through the center, spits it out one side. This is made kind of backwardsy and weird. It sucks water in through the side and spits it up through here. So, you take this top piece off, and this is called a diffuser. It actually takes the water that comes up, guides it in, and then this thingy kind of guides the water smoothly up. And you take that off, and this is the main impeller. This is what spins to fling the water outward and up into the spray arms. And this is kind of a flow guide for that. That also is the motor screen that had the junk on it that I showed you last time. I'm going to clean that off. Then this is a little restrictor plate thing, and underneath it is a fan. And when the motor is spinning backwards, the fan pushes the water down and out through that broken piece. I'm going to see if I can possibly shim or put a sleeve, maybe a brass sleeve, in there and epoxy it all back together, because this plate is $400. Underneath, this is the shaft seal. This is a ring of graphite with a spring on it, and that interfaces with this, which is dirty, but this is just a polished ceramic surface, and that's what makes the rotating seal. And then in here there's a rubber O-ring that sandwiches the two impellers together and keeps them sealed. If I was using this for a restaurant application, I would probably replace that shaft seal, but in this case I've got bigger fish to fry, so I'm not going to do that, probably. I'm fortunate that I got this off. I had to pound and pound and pound to get this thing off. You may be able to see, if it chooses to focus. Yes. Where is it? Come on, yo, you were focusing a minute ago. Anyway, this right here, you can see there's a crack in it. It doesn't go all the way down to the rubber intersection of this seal, so it's not too bad yet. I'm going to epoxy it to keep it from falling apart further. But what I'm going to do first is take all of this crap, fill that bucket full of soap, and just let it soak with some of this other garbage. I am fortunate that this came apart at all. This is not meant to be serviced. It's meant to be replaced. This assemblage is an $1,800 part. $1,800 US for this Canadian POS. And obviously I'm not going to do that.